Some construction workers made a not-so-merry discovery following the Christmas holiday. Sometime between December 24th and the 29th, someone stole a substantial amount of copper from the Meyer construction site. Terre Haute police say the thieves struck both inside and outside the store. Thieves target copper because they can sell it at scrap yards.
There are scrap yards that report that are in the city to Leads Online. We check through there. There are some outlying scrap yards. They don't report, but they're required by law to hold that information.
Now, police do not believe the copper was sold locally. The thieves also took a pickup truck. If you have any information about this crime, please call Crime Stoppers at 812-238-STOP.